Before you install the bracket, just take your liquid nail, go right in the center of your mark to the outside edge. Just put one bead on there, right down the middle. If you have a sheetrock wall or an OSB wall and don't have studs, you'll need to put 2x2s or 2x3s or 2x4s on a wall and then fasten that to the side. You want to make sure these are 4 foot on center. You take your shelves, right on there. Make sure this is the correct spacing. You can put the screw in the front or you can put the screw up top and put a screw in each stud.